Coming into the property, you have your front room, beautifully done. And to the right, you have your more informal kitchen area, entertaining space, and living bedrooms, I'm sorry. So formal dining is set up. Really, really well done. Ceiling heights are very nice. You've got a higher, you're probably 9 foot, maybe 10.1 on ceiling height here. Very nicely done. Master bedroom. And then coming into, yeah, this is the setup for a private office. So if you are set up as an office space here, you've got a great view out. Kind of give you, so you've got the cul-de-sac right there that I just showed you, and all very green. Nice space. The lighting is a little bit subdued, but you can change that with white light versus what's in here right now is yellow light. Again, your formal dining. Nice ceiling detail. And coming in here, you can look out into the lanai space, and you can see the privacy they created with the palms. So I'm going to come into the master bedroom suite. Very nicely done. Sliding doors to the exterior. I'll let you see it from here. And again, you can see the balconies of the condo units right across the little canal. But again, very private, because to the left here, you have all that vegetation that's mature and really offers a ton of privacy. Love what they did with the plants on the wall. Very, very nicely done. So you've got a large master suite. Floors are porcelain tile as well. Really quite beautiful. Huge closet with all shelf organization. And then of course you have a second closet. Much smaller. But good closet space. Very well taken care of, the whole thing. And this here is actually just a little courtyard that you cannot get to, but does offer for some additional privacy and allows for the natural light to come into the bathroom without everybody seeing you. The shower, beautiful glass, well maintained, and separate space for toilet. And you can see various ceiling height details all through. Makes it a little interesting to look at. And then coming across, we're back to the front door location. So there's your front door, the office space, which could be considered a bedroom because of the small closet. And then again, this living space. To the right, and we'll go there, is laundry and the garage. Love the little built-in idea here for small table, breakfast, eating area. Beautiful cabinets, kitchen, Love the granite. The granite is really quite beautiful. Love what they did in here. There's your dining front door. So you can kind of see how it all ties together. And then your TV space. Informal. Overlooking to the pool area, and I'll go out there here in a moment. Guest bedroom. All with plantation shutters. You've got just normal size closets in here. You can tell just from the size of the closet. You've got linen here. You've got a guest bathroom. Extremely clean. With a skylight to bring in some extra light. Really beautiful. And the third bedroom. Really nice space. Really very nice space. And this is a walk-in closet, which is a great size walk-in closet. Lots and lots of space. Really nice. And then you've got a pocket door for this guest suite as well. So if you do have guests, they can close off the door to the whole side there, and it'll be very private. I'm going to go out to the back so you can get a clear view of this is wide open. It feels really good as far as how you would use this space, and that's why they have the ability to do so much out here. I mean, they've got a whole place setting here, as well as on this other side you have the large sectional couch right off into the spa. Lots of really nice space. You've got the kitchen, you've got a sink out here, storage out here. Really nice little outdoor space so that if you wanted to do dining, you could do the pass-through window out to the countertop out here, and you could have a really nice get-together. You also have both these sets of doors, both all the way open. So you have that pocket you could push and have clear view out. Really lovely. Pool is an amazing. They've done such a nice job with this. No imperfection. I mean, nothing. I see nothing. It's really, really well done. And then you have back here, which is really quite nice, is the fact that it's on the water. You can see how far away you are from the next house. This is really amazing. Really lovely. And as you can see, you cannot see next door. Completely private. And I'm very familiar with these buildings back here, and they're part of the community. They have a similar architectural style. They're not just a bland square box building at all. Just really well done. And as you can see, you really have a ton of privacy here. It's really hard to identify what is next door. And I'll just try to maybe even, it's really hard to see. I can't really make out too much of anything unless you come all the way out here. And now you can see that we're into a different community now. Next door, but very quiet, very, very nicely done. The only way I can tell the difference is the shingle roofs. But very, very nice. And up there is the main entrance to the community. Can't quite see it, but that's the main entrance. And we're sitting on the south side of the home, so you're going to have, a good amount of sunshine coming into the home. Very nice.